Good morning, Chickajoes and Chickadees. Today is Wednesday, October 21st, and this is your lesson video. All right, so we're getting the ball rolling on our Unit 2 multi-genre portfolio. Remember, the portfolio is a collection of works that demonstrate your mastery, your ability. It is your repertoire of skills. So with this portfolio, you're putting in 4 works, 2 works that are yours, things that you created, and then 2 other works that you have found out there that other writers have created. So you are curating your own museum gallery, your own art gallery of writing. And remember that the genres have to be representative of different styles. So one poem, one short story, one article, one play, one novel excerpt. So one, 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 one. So just keep that in mind, especially that planning page that I attached in yesterday's folder, just to kind of help you jot down. You can type it in, print it, handwrite it. Just keep track of what you are bringing, so you don't have 2 poems by accident or 2 short stories or 2 excerpts from a novel, that you have diversity in your portfolio. That's what we're looking for. So, yesterday you were supposed to kind of say, all right, this is the topic that I want to focus on. This is what my 4 pieces are going to embody. This is the message, the thematic statement that I want all four pieces to communicate. This is the universal truth life lesson that I want my readers to take away from my portfolio when they read it. So you're supposed to decide on what topic that was, or what thematic statement you want to communicate, and then start thinking about what pieces you already have generated. Like if you're going to go ahead and use your imitation poetry, the magic words assignment, you can definitely use it. If you want to use your short story, then you're making this, in a sense, commitment, saying I have something started, I have something ready to go. So now, just kind of going into the preface, the beginning part of it, where I'm trying to break it up for you in small chunks. But in looking at Miss Winstead's project, you're able to see what the project's going to look like in the end. You're going to have this preface. You're going to have work 1, work 2, work 3, work 4. You're going to have some analysis statements that go with it, of how it communicates your theme, and then why you chose it or how you wrote it. So just breaking it up in parts. So today, all I want you to work on are the 2 paragraphs that deal with the preface. If you go back into Miss Winstead's example about her American divorce, it's the 2 first paragraphs of the preface document when you open it. It's the number 1 on the table of contents that she provides for you on that blue-paged document. So when you click on your assignment and you click on your document, you should get something like this. It gives you the instructions. So all I want you to focus in on is why you chose this particular topic, any background information, real world connection to the topic that you've chosen, whether it be like love, marriage, fidelity, responsibility, appreciation, death, happiness. Again, whatever your topic is going to be, or thematic statement that you are conveying. You're going to write your 2 paragraphs about that today. And what I did is that I pulled the 2 opening paragraphs from Miss Winstead's preface. Again, if you go back into yesterday's folder and you look at the project sample, portfolio sample from Miss Winstead, you'll notice that on that opening page, that table of contents, preface, work 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm pulling it from that first document. So in the first paragraph that she writes, it's about information about her topic or statement, some real world connection, some background information, maybe even a definition. Think of this as your introduction that you would normally do in a regular essay. So she is talking about the topic of divorce. She makes that connection, how it's something in the United States, it's very prevalent, but also around the world. And then the second paragraph is why she chose the topic of divorce and what it means to her, how it plays a role in her life, why is it important. So that's what I want you to do. Whatever your topic is, I want you to go ahead and give me some background information, give me some definition, some real world connections, and then tell me why you chose this topic. Why is this idea or universal truth important to you? And that's all we're working on today. Tomorrow we'll get started on focusing on what first piece that you're going to include in your portfolio. But today, it's just the first two paragraphs of your preface, just like Mrs. Winstead's portfolio project sample that's in Tuesday's folder if you want to go back and look at it and see it in totality, how it looks like in the end. But today's just paragraphs 1 and 2. If you have any questions or you need any help, you're more than welcome to come back and come into the Zoom call, and I'll help you walk you through it, help you brainstorm, do what you need to do. And then, of course, if you can't make it during first through eighth period for the Zoom call, you have some wonderful teachers at the ready who are available to work with you tonight from 6 to 10 p.m. on the virtual tutoring or the student homework support. Remember, it's that icon that has a computer and a little one with a little mic. You click on it and you get connected to the form so that you can get connected to a tutor, and you can have a tutor work with you one-on-one on your assignment or any past assignments. So they'll be on today from 6 to 10 p.m. Okay? But I'll be available if you need me between first and eighth period. So jump on in anytime you like. All right? I love y'all. Have a good day and make good choices. Bye, guys.